alaikum. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day called World Children's Day. This day is celebrated every year on November 20, and it is a day that's just for children all around the world. But why do we celebrate it? Let me tell you. World Children's Day started a long time ago to help make sure that all children are safe, healthy, and happy. It reminds people everywhere that children are important and deserve care, love, and respect. On this day, people try to think about ways to make life better for all kids. They remember that children should have things like food, clean water, a place to live, and a chance to go to school and learn. One big part of World Children's Day is helping everyone remember that children have rights. World Children's Day reminds us that every child's voice matters and that we should listen to what children have to say. On this day, people around the world do special things to show that they care about kids. Some people give toys, books, and clothes to children who need them. Others spend time with kids, play games, or help teach them something new. So, World Children's Day is not just about celebrating children, but also about making the world a better place for them. Let's remember that every child deserves a happy and safe life, not only on this day, but every day. We should all try our best to be kind to kids and others and do help every child feel loved and important. Thank you and happy World Children's Day.